Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI text and image generator called Neuroflash. So here's the breakdown. Neuroflash is an AI content platform that lets you generate both text and image in one place, from blog posts, ads, and social caption to visual like banner and social graphics. It's used advanced AI model to create content based on your prompt and includes tools for tone, styles, and brand consistency, which make it useful for marketers, creators, and small teams who want fast, versatile media without switching any apps. That said, while Neuroflash dual mode is convenient, its output can sometimes feel a bit generic compared with specialized AI writer or dedicated design tools. Image quality may lag behind top generative art model, and the text may still need editing for proper and accurate brand voice. So my opinion, I actually think the Neuroflash is a solid all-in-one AI generator for quick text and visual, but creators seeking best-in-class quality in either domain might pair it with more specialized tools for maximum or accurate result. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. And that's it.